Hello and welcome to this episode of Sunday Special. Today I have a very special story for you. Once upon a time there was a very beautiful village. This village was secluded from the main city and there was a river in between. The people of this village were involved in different professions like farming, fishing, and there were some tradesmen, merchants, etc. One day, a very learned, a very enlightened person decided to visit the village. He was coming through the river on a boat, and on the boat there were three other people with him. These people belonged to the village. There was a farmer, there was a fisherman, and there was a tradesman. On the boat, this learned person asked the farmer, "Do you know about this book? Have you read this very important book on life?" The farmer said, "Sir, I am a very simple farmer. I have not read this book." And the learned person declared that, "You know what? 1/4 of your life is wasted." He then turned to the fisherman and then he asked him, "Have you read this particular scripture, this very important scripture?" And the fisherman said, "No, sir, I have not read it." And the learned person declared that half of your life is wasted. He then turned to the tradesman and again asked him, "Have you read this very important book? This tells about life and God." And the tradesman said, "No, sir, I have not read it." And this learned person declared that 3/4 of your life is wasted. After some time, there was a huge storm in the river. The boat was shaking and it was very difficult to keep the boat still. At this moment, the three people asked this learned person, "Sir, do you know how to swim?" And the learned person said, "No, I do not know." And they all declared that your entire life is wasted. Sometimes it is very good to get knowledge, read books, get degrees, get certifications, but you should always focus on implementing your skills and having practical knowledge. I will see you next Sunday. Thank you for watching.